Hey y'all, hey honey buns, welcome back to the channel. So this is another catch-up video. Okay, today is January 21st, and I explained to y'all in the previous video that I'm catching up on videos and stuff because we couldn't do it this weekend. So we went to Dollar General. Okay, let me get the correct date.
It should have been the 18th.
Just making sure. Yeah, so we went to Dollar General January 18th. Okay, and it was crazy because we had to get there on time after we slept all day because we didn't get home from the hospital until 7 something that morning. Okay, we didn't get home from the hospital until 7 something that morning, so everybody slept all day and then got up late trying to get, because we was tired. We was so tired. Okay, but thankfully the kiddos is fine. They was feeling better by then when we left from the stomach bug situation. So all right, it was a little scary for a moment, so we was happy about that. I say that because anybody may not see the previous video, you'll understand a little bit what we're talking about. Okay, so we got to Dollar General to do the 5 off 25 January 18th 2025. Today is January 21st 2025 that we are being able to do this video. So we are doing the 5 off 25 as part of this Purpose Pantry stock up. Okay, another way that you can stock up on food and stuff for emergencies. Let me see if I can pull it back just a little bit so they can see. Well, I probably have to just bring y'all down some, but you got anything to say before I take them down for as the 5 off 25?
Be consistent. Go there during the week, get your 5 off 25 and spend the money on Saturday. No more than $22. So $22, well, on Saturday, and $1 and maybe some change during the week, and you'll be able to in a month accumulate enough to start to hold you and build up and be there when you need it. Because I mean, once winter leaves, depending on where you're from, you come within a month, you come into hurricane season. Okay. So you leave the winter and move into hurricane season.
Go stand right here. I'm having you do something. So yeah, because we're gonna have to do it. We're gonna have to do it. All right, so we're gonna take y'all down a little bit so you can see. So I have my son to just bring it down a little bit. There we go. So y'all can see exactly what we got. Thank you. So yeah, so we got 2 bags of rice. These are 5-pound bags of rice. You probably saw in the other one that we had did. 5-pound bags of rice. They were $3 and what, 25 cents? What did I say? $3.25?
$3.25.
Let me make sure. I should still have it up. No, $3.35.
$3.35.
$3.35 for each bag, a 5-pound bag of white rice.
And this makes a lot of rice. This 5-pound bag makes a lot of rice. Just saying.
All right, so next we got this hickory smoked ham. 2 of those. And they was $4.20.
You can, depending on the juices they have in here, I would personally probably pour it off. It's probably gonna be full of unwanted sodium, but it's gonna be good to supplement and add to something else and give you some good protein too, because protein is something you really want. Hold you over.
And also you can take this and chop it up and boil it a little bit and pour that water off from it, and that'll take a lot of the sodium out of it too. So there's different ways you can do that. I have spoke to y'all for a couple years about that, and some of y'all fought me on it, okay? But now you really need to pay attention and have no more options for as making some things that is looked at to be, well, that is processed and not as healthy, and repurposing it and making it more healthy, okay? What next we have is these. I've never seen this particular brand at the Dollar General. Dollar General. I don't know if I said the other place, but Dollar General is what it is. It's Polar Chunk Light Tuna and Water. And they were $1 a can, so we got 5 of those.
And this says it actually has vegetable broth with peas and carrots in it.
Oh, we didn't even see that.
No, did not. Light tuna, water, vegetable broth, peas and carrots, salt, and then the tuna. And it doesn't say any of that right here. If you look right here, it doesn't say any of that.
We definitely have to eventually open this and let y'all see what it looked like in there, and let you know how it tastes. Yeah.
No, I don't think nobody else has done that.
Not for tuna that I know of. No other brand.
Chunk light tuna and water. And it's going to add some vegetable broth in there. Guess for flavoring, seasoning. But protein. Another source of it.
And I gotta try to make sure, because y'all, I have talked to y'all about some tuna gives me indigestion, so I have to see if this one, somebody had told me to get the apple core wild caught, and that one, thank you so much. It's been some months or whatnot, but I did get it, probably over a year now. I did get it, and it works perfect for me. It don't give me indigestion. But I was getting it from Sam's Club, so I'm gonna definitely have to see how this is. It say wild caught, so hopefully it's close to that. And those were $1 a can, and they are 5-ounce cans. Next we got Clover Valley Chunk White Chicken Breast, okay? And that was, you get 2 cans for $5.50.
And it says it has red meat and water. Well, with red meat and water. It's a 2-pack. Good to add to something. Like some rice. Or some noodles.
Yeah.
Or just a sandwich.
A little bit of mayo if you got it. Some of them mayo packets.
When you talk about the packets, if y'all eating at these fast food restaurants, and you know when you get to the window they ask, any condiments, I always say a mixture. I don't even tell them. I just say a mixture. That way you put just about a bunch of the different things. I think Arby's, Arby's, Chick-fil-A. Does McDonald's have? I know Arby's and Chick-fil-A have the mayo packets.
McDonald's only have like the ketchup and the barbecue. Yeah, they got the ketchup and the barbecue. But yeah, always ask, because are you like me? You go in these Asian restaurants, they got them what them things y'all eat with? Chopsticks.
Chopsticks? Funny story. So what's they called? Panda Express. They used to keep their chopsticks right next to the door, well, with all the other spoons, forks, and by the soda machine with the straws and everything. So anytime I went to Panda, I would pick up extra chopsticks, and that was like a month straight. Extra chopsticks. Then I go in there one day, and they done moved the chopstick thing to behind the counter. And to this day, and this has been over a year, they still ain't put them chopsticks back outside with the other utensils. I'm like, really? Why y'all hate? Like, they act like what kills me is these employees act like it's coming out their pocket. Go to Burger King and McDonald's, they don't want to give you no ketchup unless you ask. And then when they give it to you, they play. Listen, if I got 5 orders of fries, why are you giving me 3 packets of ketchup? So 2 people got to share. Well, really 4 of us got to share a packet of ketchup. And then what is it? Bojangles and the jelly.
Oh, never want to give you.
Ooh.
It's mainly this one that knows she eats about 3 packs of jelly with her 1 sausage biscuit, but she don't want to give you no jelly with sausage biscuit. And I'm like.
And then if they give you jelly again, they give you less
you
than what you
order
order.
5 sausage biscuits, she give you 2 jellies.
So we going, hey, you better use half that pack.
We gotta ask for more jelly. Then she look at you crazy, like, wow.
That's why don't put your condiments out. If I go in the store, I'm gonna get my money's worth. And you can put them in your stockpile.
Yeah.
Like, for example.
While he do whatever he's doing, y'all, everything that you saw, 2 5-pound bags of rice, the 2 things of the ham, the 2 5-pound bags of rice, the 5 cans of the tuna, and the 2 pack of the chicken breast comes up to $25.60 before tax. So that do put you over the $25 mark, because it's got to be your subtotal before your taxes, okay, for the coupon to work. So then you just give them your 5 off 25 coupon, or if you got the Dollar General app and you done already clipped it in the app, you put in your number and $5 will come off, and then you will pay, you know, $20 plus whatever your tax is for those items, okay?
Just saying.
So those are all the condiments that he has stocked up from different places. That's what he was showing you.
I'm just saying, because you know, if we made some rice and some tuna, I can use some condiments, enhance my flavor. Free of charge. Well, I paid for it, 'cause I paid for my meal. But 5 for 25 every Saturday we should be doing in the month of January and beyond. But I mean, if you start at the month of January and you make it a habit, it can be something you continue to do. It can become part of your Saturday routine. Friday, go there on your way home from work, pick up a pack of crackers or a pack of gum or whatever to your delight. Go to the dollar aisle, find something for $1 that you can use. Pay for it, get that receipt, get that 5 off 25, and on Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon, whenever you free on Saturday, stop in there and spend $22 and get you something that's going to last you a little bit.
Because y'all, now is the time, really now, to break down and stock up as much as possible. Like I said, today is it's January 21st, 2025, and oh my goodness, so many things has been signed and put into play that I just do not think is going to work. So we're gonna need to have a backup plan of food and water and essential items. Most of y'all get exactly what I'm saying. And that's what we did. We had an obstacle. Kids are first, family is first, make sure they good. That's what we did. We came home, we rested, but before Dollar General closed, we was able to go there. If we wasn't able to go there, long as we handle the important stuff first, that would have been fine. But it just shows you how we still got there, because we was able to get there, and we didn't just say, oh, just so tired, we're not gonna go. We got there, and we did this haul for y'all, okay? So yeah, so actually I think we did another haul, but I'm keeping it one video at a time so it do not confuse nobody, okay? So we was actually able to do, and we'll show you that in another video. That way you have what's at hand right here, and you don't be confused on, oh, did they do that, did they? I understand it can get confusing if you bunch up too much stuff, okay? So yeah, so this is what we got, and this is gonna go back in the prepper's pantry right now. So with that being, you got anything else to say?
No.
So with that being said, y'all, I hope this was informational for y'all, motivational, inspirational, all that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if this God's will. Y'all please be safe, okay? Until next time. Love y'all. Bye. Oh, we ain't got a thumbnail. Hold on. We gotta get a thumbnail. Let's see. I'm sticking my tongue out.
Arby's. You have to be.
The meat. I'm sticking my tongue. I always be saying not sticking my tongue out at y'all being men. It's just a habit. Maybe
Arby's maybe
it's a country thing or something. I don't know. Huh?
Arby's may be one too that has the mayo packets.
Oh, I know they have. I think the Arby's sauce or whatnot. All right, y'all.